Have at it.
You excited?
Yes, I'm very excited right now. Everybody kept thinking I was crazy. Driving out here. Why you going all the way out there? You want to just get a pedicure? Yes, I am. I said, you don't understand. I said, if you watch her, you'll understand why I'm coming out here. Since I started there, I've been there like February. Oh, next month will be 9 years.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
Gotta love a great employee. Longevity. They're gonna feel so good.
Yes, they are.
So, what kind of shoes are you wearing now?
I have white, dang, I left them home. I wear wide wood shoes.
Okay.
Cause I have flat feet.
Mm-hmm.
And wide wood gives me the comfort across from the ball across to the side. I try not to, like, I stay away from pointy shoes.
Okay.
I stay away from those because those are my friends.
No, they are not your friends.
Not at all.
Do you have any problems, or do you feel the toenails hitting the tops of the shoe or the end of the shoe?
Now, being that they are
right,
they are
longer.
Yes. But other, like, usually when I used to get a pedicure, they didn't. But this one did this tip thing all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Like, and I would just keep it trimmed down myself. And exactly what you're doing on the other side, just so it wouldn't dig in there.
Right.
And I would make sure I didn't go too deep. I would make sure I try to get all the way over and not leave anything that's going to kill me.
Right, that's going to turn into an ingrown toenail.
I had that one time, and my feet felt so tender, and I said, oh, never again.
You're like, nope, that's not going to happen. It was so cute yesterday. I got a post from someone, sent me a message on Instagram. She was getting, oh, that's okay. They always hit me. On Instagram, she was getting a pedicure, and she filmed the person pulling something out of her sidewall. I was like, oh, how cute.
What I wanted to ask you was,
it is a common.
I try to keep fluid, try to drink a lot of water. Oh my God, look at that. It's just coming right off.
See how it turns white? Yes. That's how you know that it is non-living tissue.
Yes.
And you just pull all of that away. I'm really excited about your progress. I can't wait to see.
Oh my God, thank you.
I'm just finishing up.